Namaste, my galactic family. This is Angela Sim, more for the yellow from Amitazori. Pleiadian consciousness here for you. My galactic family, listen to me with your heart. The best way, the quickest way, because a lot of you contemplate, there's so many groups, so many light workers, so many awakened people, how we can overlap our intentions over that system. That's very simple, my galactic family, because a lot of times we don't have immediate interactions with brothers and sisters, across the ocean, if you will. Yeah. So the best way to start integrating on a global scale, imposement of our heart chakra and our intentions through a price tag. Yes, a price tag. What does that mean? All the awakened people in the world, all of you, brothers and sisters, the first step to, because the system is collapsing, and sooner or later, before you know it, it's gone, But to put an intention to create new systems before the old ones crumble, and they are crumbling very, very quickly. So we put prices on everything. We. And how are you going to do that, Asim? Hear me, my galactic family. Let me give you an example. It's very, very important, my galactic family, extremely important to be aware what are you buying. This is the first step, my galactic family. What are you buying? If you want to save the animals around the world, don't buy fur coatings, my galactic family. The coats you're buying, the fur from all the animals, don't buy them. If you want to save cats, how they treat cats in China, for example, put a lot of websites on internet and look how all the jackets made from from animal fur, what's the price of that? You double the price of the cat. Let's start buying cats from China, so they'll start having respect to cats, because those are angelic souls. And I'm speaking to all brothers and sisters, especially the ones who have means. If the China will know the cat, a live cat, is double more than the jacket, the furry jacket you're buying in the store. The cat itself is double the price of the jacket. They will preserve, they will start loving the animals, they will start cherishing the animals and taking care of them. And I'm giving you an example about the cats, but let's start do with every animals. But see, it's coming to that point where you have to be aware, what are you buying? The price itself is not so important. It's what you're buying. When you stop buying jackets made out of animals, automatically those animals will be saved and cherished. And when you put even extra intention to put a double price or triple price for the cat, for example, how are they going to cherish those animals? Because a lot of people in the world want to buy a cat. They don't want to buy a fur. They want to buy a cat. And when you start seeing things from this perspective, you will impose the parallel reality, parallel universe We will impose that world, that creation onto that system, and will be solidified, will manifest, materialized. We are integrators. Our intentions are integrating all pararealities, and we making like a soup, and we imposing on that system. But see, there's a lot of things like this, my galactic family. Be aware what you are buying. Be so in love, my galactic family, of nature, of animals, even the smallest bug. If you see a bug in your house, don't just kill it. Put it out of the window, my galactic family. Grab the bug and put it out of the window. Have more respect for the smallest creation. So the biggest creation in the highest realms will have even more respect for us. There will be more doors open for, extraterrestrials, galactic family, what have you, to have imposement and have interactions with us face to face. But you have to be in love with Gaia, with nature, with animals. Starting with this is the first step of breaking the system. Because we're integrating with pure nature. Our higher self, that's the pure nature. That's the energy frequency. That's the core energy of Gaia, of trees, of animals, of nature. This is the frequency, my galactic family. So, not only being aware what you are buying, if you don't want things to be in the world, don't buy them. Don't buy them. Avoid any big stores, my galactic family, any big stores, and go to the small businesses for your apples, for your milk. Give the brothers and sisters who have small businesses, give them power to expand, because they are coming from the heart space frequency. And the stores where you buy your coffee, and the stores which are connected to the countries you don't want to connect with, you don't go to those stores. Like all those, coffee shops in the world, or stores connected to frequency of Zionism. Don't connect with that. It's their karma. I'm giving you an example, my galactic family, but that's the truth. See, being on a level of maturity, let me give you an example. For your higher self, for the universe, only when you are 99 years old in three-dimensional reality, 99 years old, that's when you are in entirely of the universe. That's only you are 18 years old. I'm giving you example of mentality-wise, my galactic family. How immature this three-dimensional matrix system is. That's so immature. That's just beyond comprehension. And in that immaturity comes density, slowness, density, confusion, mirror of confusion. That's three-dimensional reality for you. The total amnesia could only happen in the frequency of kindergarten, if you will, of immaturity. That's the only way God Almighty allowed this experience, this experiment and experience to happen. In a place coming from immaturity, being like in a way like a child, but that's a different frequency we're talking about when we say be like a child. Yes, be like a child, but the imposement of amnesia on souls reincarnating and reincarnating and reincarnating here in the system, being so confused, mirror confusion, and being unconscious and always, believe in anything because they don't remember nothing. God Almighty only allowed when this could happen in a frequency of immaturity. So I give you an example, like you have to be 100 years old and already for the universe, you are 18 years old. And from our mentality point of view, that's 18, that's not so smart, yeah? Even if you are, in the system, you are adult. So see, my galactic family, let's unite around the world, my galactic family, by first having the same goals, the same intentions. Because a lot of you ask me how we can connect and have more access to each other, how we can quickly overlap our best version of ourselves on this frequency. Everybody in the world connect their one intention towards nature, animals, and what have you. And this is the strongest. Plus, we do prostration, meditation. And that's power, my galactic family. That's the first step. And on that frequency, 2025, we're coming to the closure of 2024. In that frequency, 2025, my galactic family, the intentions, the connectivity of all our intentions toward nature, animals, preserve everything, love everything. If we will connect intentionally with identical intention, that's how we break the system completely. Do you see where I'm coming with this, my galactic family? It's a harmony. It's an energy harmony. Universe is energy harmony. Everything, even you observe anything and it's so-called random, it's not, because everything in the universe is a dance. It's a dance. And don't confuse the dance with the ball earth, flying into space. That's fantasy. That is fantasy. We are stationary. The earth doesn't move. And all dimensions are flat, my galactic family. Snap out of it. But were we saying in motion, everything it's a dance, my galactic family, of frequencies. Actually, we are not jumping through pararealities. Parallel universes are jumping through our consciousness, through us, through what we know, our belief system. It's the physical body, so-called, in three-dimensional reality, is only a filter. It's only a filter of aspect of your consciousness in such a perspective that you have this experience right here, my galactic family. So, keep that in mind. Please look through all Pleiadian Mohrephoh films on 5 different YouTube channels. Share them with brothers and sisters, my galactic family. And remember, victory of the light. We already won. It's already happened. Everything already happened. Whatever you woke up to already happened. My galactic family, I am Renegade member of Family of Light Systems Buster. Available for altering systems of consciousness within free will universe on call. My galactic family, share with all brothers and sisters. We have one intention, and we all unite with this one intention. Nature, animals, Gaia, trees. Let's start with this intention, and you will see how quickly the matrix system will be gone. It's already gone, my galactic family. But we are now sweeping the leftovers. Do you see what I'm coming with this? We're sweeping the leftovers of that energy. Whatever, only few brothers, whatever they see on the television, the news, and all this CNN and BBC, all that junk, whatever you see on this is just a fantasy. This is imposement on a system that is already gone. It's already gone. There are no governments, there are no countries, everything is already gone, my galactic family. And you will understand that, what I just mentioned, by the end of the 2025. You will understand exactly what I mean by that. You don't understand that yet, but you will know what I'm saying end of 2025. I love you, my galactic family. Namaste.